So, good day everyone. So, for our topic for today is the internal combustion engine in power plant. So, number 7, we have the given is QH equals 130 BTU, we have QL equals 49 BTU, and the hot temperature is 700 Fahrenheit. Converted to Radian, so we have 1154 Radian. So this problem, the required is the temperature temperature of cold reservoir. So the solution is we have QL over QH equals TL over TH. So transposing this formula, so we have TL equals TH times QL over QH. So I put the given, so the answer of this problem is 436.25 Radian or negative 23.15 Fahrenheit. So in the number 8 problem, we have the given is QH equals 35 kilowatts and P out equals 15 kilowatts and the PL is 56 degrees Celsius. Converted to Kelvin, we have 199 Kelvin. Then the required is the pH. So the solution is efficiency equals P out over QH. So we put the given, we have 15 over 35. So we have the answer is 0.4286. Then next is we have this efficiency 1 minus TL over TH. So we put the given, our hot temperature is 523.28 Kelvin or 250.28 degrees Celsius. So in the number 9 problem, we have given is P1 equals 20 degrees Celsius converted to Kelvin, so plus 273, we have 223 Kelvin. Then the ratio is equals V1 over V2, so we have equals 6. Then our constant K is 1.4. So the required of this problem is the T2. So the solution is the T2 equals C1 ratio over ratio K minus 1. So input the given, so the answer T2 is 499.97 Kelvin or 326.57 degrees Celsius. The last is number 10. We have given is pH equals 1200 Fahrenheit converted to Radian. So we have 1659 Radian and the PL equals 225 Fahrenheit. Converted into Radian, so we have 654. So the part is the max efficiency. So the solution is the efficiency max equals 1 minus PL over pH. So input the given. So our answer is 0.5877 or 58.77%.